basketball or something.
Shut the fuck up. I got way too much on my mental.
I will beat your fucking ass,
I'm singing Big Sean.
What the fuck? You gonna stay with your daddy?
Hey, bro, let me get a wing. Bro, I know damn well you just touched my wing, bro.
Mighty Duck checking in. Hey, Chaz, you stink, bro. You musty, bro. I smell it from here.
Stop fucking trying me, bro. You always fucking trying.
I'm gonna call the animal police. Yeah, I'm gonna call them. Come here. Don't run now. Don't run now.
Mama, watch out.
What? Stop playing.
Mama, watch out. Mama, watch out.
Stop playing.
Mama, watch out.
Stop playing.
Mom, what is that, Mom?
What? Stop playing. Oh, shit.
Oh, he just stole a banana. Oh.
Stop, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. All right, Mom, I'm dropping Doug out right now. I'll be home.
Yeah,
Hey, get the fuck out, cause you playing.
stop.
Stop fucking, bro. Don't. All right.
When you got scared.
But you taking that Vine shit way too far.
Move, Trick. Get out the way.
Bro,
Get out the way.
Oh!
Vroom. About to start up these lawnmowers.
Well, you got life all fucked up. I would get a real lawnmower and fuck you up.
Fuck
me.
playing.
Why the fuck you always playing?
Hey, bro, calm down, bro. It's cool.
Boy, I be trying to tell you.
Man, my brother Chaz down in downtown.
No, we
bro,
had to
you
get
know.
that quick
We had to get
workout.
that
Ah!
Well, who is you, bro? Hey, what's up, man? Oh, he's stealing! He's stealing! Shout out to my boy Chaz. He got an anger problem. He say he don't, but he do. I don't care.
Shit out my face, bro. What the fuck?
My boy Mike enjoying that ice cream.
Fuck you.
It's good, bro.
Shut up. But what the fuck? What you looking at? The fuck you looking at, Coca? Shit! You always gotta bother me, bro.
Why Duck never drive? That's because Chaz chauffeur me around. That's his job.
Boy, you better shut the fuck up with
What?
that shit. Hell no.
My boy Chaz glowing in the dark. Take that shirt off. It's too loud.
What the fuck up? What the fuck? I always fucking play.
Hey, mama, so MTV emailed me and Chaz today.
For real? Oh my gosh.
No, I was just playing. Hey, Chaz, you see I shaved my little hair right here, boy. Look.
Well, that shit is ugly as hell.
Well, what is that? I don't even know what
Bro,
that
you didn't
is.
have to say that shit.
Achoo!
Bro, what the fuck you always playing,
All right,
bro?
bro, that's a prank. Chaz just bought a hat from somebody, everybody. Miami Dolphins. Who is Miami Dolphins? Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing. He's...
But you play too much, bro.
This is really Gatorade.
Is this good? Yeah, good. For clinic. Oh.
Oh, hey, what are you doing? Let's prank Mama. Hey, Mom, how you think Wendy's tastes?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
What the hell's wrong with you? You could die, boy.
Hey, Chad, look at this Vine I just did, bro.
You know Melo better than LeBron, Dad.
Don't nobody care.
What the fuck? Oh. That's your dad, bro.
Mama, bring me the broom.
Come on, it's a spider, son.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, where did you get it?
Crack screen prank.
What's that noise?
I did not mean it. I did not.
Mom, Chad, you trying to get naked, bro?
What the fuck? Nigga, you a gay.
No,
bitch.
no,
What
look, the
fuck?
joint, the joint. Take my mom out to eat, yeah.
Boy, stop lying. You know I'm paying and you better get a kids meal.
I'ma let it burn, burn, but Ernest said, be quiet. Dang. Okay, Ernest, come here. You don't have to tell Mama. Come here. He's stealing. He's stealing. He's stealing. Oh, he's stealing cheese. He's stealing cheese.
You always doing that shit, bro. You like this fucking thing.
Chad used to weigh these in the 5th grade. You remember that, Chad?
Fuck, I did. Stop fucking lying.
Y'all asked for. Here she go. My girlfriend, Elizabeth. Give me a kiss, babe. I was just playing.
You got
Hey, Armani, how was your day today? Scott! I don't care.
Mom, tell them to stop doing that. You always playing. Stop, dog.
Ow!
Oh, get out of here, boy.
He's stealing. He's stealing.
Oh, God.
Hey, man, I got 200,000 followers, man. Thank you.
Bro.
We don't give a fuck.
Thank you.
Stop
Hey,
that move, nigga. The fuck?
my mom just told me to wash dishes. I'm not washing dishes. I'm vining right now.
What you say?
Mom, where'd you come from, Mom? Hey, y'all. Just found my dad. What's up, Dad?
Shit out my face, man.
Oh, she's stealing. Go get her. Go. This man in the freezer. What's up, boy? for all you thirsty girls over Chaz.
Hey, wait!
Hey, where you going? I'm okay, Chris. You better come back.
You want some? Keep looking at me, bro. Yeah, man, do not take life for granted, you know what I'm saying? You only got one life.
Hey, man. Hey, that man talking some real shit. Shut up.
Thank you.
Do that dub walk. Do that dub walk. Do that dub walk. Hey.
Hey, man, this man loves to dance. Watch this.
Hit it one time. Hit it one time. Hey, 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 hey.
All right, then, Mike. Thanks for the ride, boy.
Bitch, close my fucking door.
No. Ooh, she's stealing. She's stealing. Ooh. I hit you in the head with this jump, boy. Ow, bro. I told you. Oh my gosh. It's Chaz Williams from Vines. Hey, Chaz.
Get the fuck away from me, bro. For real.
That's for him in the head, though. That's for oh, bro. Yep, he has on a gray hoodie and some blue jeans, and I don't know what kind of shoes. Come get him.
What the hell I drink, man? What the fuck, man?
Wake up, boy. What the fuck? Why you gotta slip? Why? Bro, you hit your head, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's stealing. Oh, yes. Oh.
Don't stop. Damn it.
Stop. Stop. 1, 2, 3.
I don't care. Hey, no touch. Babe, give me a kiss.
What?
I'm hungry.
You gonna tell me what I
Hey,
say?
be quiet, please.
Shut up. Like, you can really shut up. Don't him like that.
All of me.
Can I get
Love.
Shut up.
All of you. He got a question for me, y'all. What's the question?
Yeah, I have.
Shut up.
Bitch, you shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. Get out this car. This not even.
Fuck out.
Okay,
This
I
ain't
bet
your
you.
car. All right.
What?
What is wrong with you? Give me the fucking card, bro. Hurry up.
Hey, Chaz, I love you, bro.
Bro, you ain't being gay, bro. I love you too.
Oh.
Bro, you gay fucking bitch.
Chaz just got a new book. What's the fuck? You don't know what you doing. You don't know what you doing. You don't know what you doing.
Can you please give me back my phone?
No, babe. Oh, she's so fine.
What are you talking about?
Babe,
You
I'm on
play
your-
too
I'm on your
much.
Instagram. Hey, Dad, do it for the Vine.
Boy, get that shit out of my face. I told you. But do your ass for the Vine. Get that shit. Don't fucking party.
Don't stinking ass.
Shit need to be watched.
Why you gotta lie,
Shut
bro?
your
It's
bitch
not
ass
that
up.
serious to lie about it. I don't give a fuck. Punk ass nigga.
Okay.
Mom, I love you.
If you don't get your bitch out, you stupid bitch! I swear, bro.
Bro, you play too much, bro.
I mean, I can't stand black people. I'm telling you, like,
Fuck that nigga said, hey man, we don't play that fucking shit, bro.
hey, just a prank, bro. Hey, man, happy Mother's Day to this guy right here.
Hey man,
What?
I'm bored, man. Amen.
Oh, shit.
Are you crazy, bro? Bro, you play too much, man.
Chaz, you my brother every day.
You my brother every hour,
You
bro.
my brother every minute.
You my brother every
I
second.
love you, bro.
Get the fuck out.
Fight on your back.
Get out, check it out, man. Check it out.
I was just playing.
What the fuck, man? Why you playing, man?
What? Hey, call 188. I want a black boy right now. You can get this man standing behind me. If you call right now, you get another one for free right now. Just call right. Oh, she's stealing. She's. Hey, don't be. Come here. Come here. I'm just chilling with my black friends. My mama always said I have to have black.
What? Bro,
Y'all do.
Bro, don't put that shit on fire.
I got the Miami Heat on. He got the Falcons. What you know about them Falcons?
Michael Vick.
Michael what? Vick. Michael Vick. Oh. I'm getting tired of working and seeing people that's not working. They just standing around talking. Hey. Oh, she's stealing.
Oh, you better stop.
Oh. Hey, sir, can I have a bite?
Sure.
Oh, no, I'm just playing. God bless you, man. Thank you so much. Introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Cecil, and I'm your my fucking nigga.
Hey, you okay, babe? So we at Taco Bell. Mike offered to pay for us, but his car just got declined. Broke ass nigga. Hey, Chaz, turn up. My boy Chaz out here.
Stop fucking playing, bitch. No, for real, bro. No.
Hey, truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare one of y'all to say the N-word.
Nigga.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? Stop fucking playing.
That shirt smell good.
Damn.
That shirt smell
Bro,
good.
stop.
Praying, oh, you get on my nerves.
Are the Rocky Mountains on a path that's red or blue?
Red.
Blue.
Anissa, what ASAP stand for? Oh, you curse?
No, I
Mom?
Bro, stop.
Mom, Anissa curse? I know I'm not the only child who had to stay 9 years old for like 5 years just to eat at the buffet for free. I mean, my mama saved a lot of money.
Anissa, guess what?
What?
Chris Brown just died.
Are you serious?
His hair black.
Bro, you play too much.
Wiggle, wiggle. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. I told you don't do that. That's what you wearing? That's what you wearing?
I mean,
Nanta peña la la vida la bo. Shut up.
Who are you talking to?
Anissa, pick that pillow up now.
No.
Okay? Hey, Anissa, what does IDC stand for?
I don't care.
Well, I care, so can you tell me?
I don't care.
I'm telling Mama since she don't want to tell.
I'm sorry.
You already know, man, I got my bodyguard. You know, I'm making big moves.
Trying me, bro. I'm your motherfucking bodyguard. I'm your motherfucking cousin.
I'm just playing, calm. Yo, black people get on my nerves. I like some of them, though, but some of them just
Man,
stupid.
Doug, shut the fuck up, man. Nobody want to hear that shit.
Girl, you
Anissa,
funny.
your phone is not even on.
Okay, and so I can't have fun. Hello.
You don't know nothing about the Bible.
Yeah, I do.
All right, what was Jesus' Last Supper?
Wine
Uh-huh.
and hot Cheetos. Bitch.
I don't get no fucks, bro.
Boy, you better sit your ass down. I'm just saying, bro.
What the fuck, bro? You better bet. Hey, calm down, calm down.
Hit that elbow. Hit that bow. Hit that weight. Ooh, negro.
Boy, get, bro.
Bro, you said your back hurt.
Yeah, I ain't tell you to touch me, bitch.
Hey.
Bitch, stay up. You fucking man me outside of fixing this shit, nigga.
My name is Duck. Duck. So what's up? What's up? I don't curse, but I don't give a fuck.
Oh, that what you gonna say, bro?
Ah, shoot! Hey! Boy, you almost made me drop my phone!
Bro, stop doing that
Get
shit,
off the
bro.
phone.
Scared, man.
No flex.
What? Oh, zone.
No flex.
Zone.
Oh, really?
Your phone is not on.
Okay, Duck, everybody know already. Girl, I'm back. Keep being rude again.
Mom, they following me, Mom. They following me.
Who following you?
The bugs.
The bug.
Blue 42 said, hut.
Hey, Doug, what if I owe me, bro?
What's going on, Wally?
What you on, bro?
I ain't doing nothing. But do you want to go to this?
Hey, man. Hey, the real thing is I ain't here right now, man. Just leave a message.
Hey, this dude right here is so hungry. So if you want to feed him, you down 188. I want to feed a black kitty.
Bro, what's up, bro? You spit.
Duck walking in my Jordans. You are
LeBron's, bro.
Duck walking in my LeBrons. Vince, what's the name of your new song?
Let me take you up and down.
Oh!
Bro, delete that shit.
No, man. Say hey to Vine, Mom.
Hey, buddy.
Mom, what? I just found this black boy right here on the side of the road, so I just had to pick him up.
Duck, light skin, racist ass bitch. Shout out to my nigga Vince right here, my nigga Wally. This nigga duck. What the fuck you do? You driving me?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hey, motherfucker! I'm sorry.
I believe I can fly.
Shut your face. Shut your face right now.
I can't.
See, y'all the girls nasty.
Preach.
I don't twerk. I do my homework. Now let me get back to it.
Preach. Sister, what kind of ladies you like?
I like ladies like good personalities and
Good personality. Mama, help! Mom! Mom! Mom, how I look with this? I got this.
Duh, there's no I in team.
But it's an M and an E. Miss Lulu, can you please put me in a group by myself? I can't work with.
Did you say F me and my brother?
Yeah, she did.
One twerking is nasty, and so is your bottom teeth. Master that.
10 minutes a day I stand on my girlfriend's butt so I can make it flat so other dudes won't look. That's just me. That's how we run things. Josh, you too young. You can't skateboard.
Oh, really?
Ooh, all right, you proved me wrong. Hey! Josh, hey Josh, all right, I was just playing. What I supposed to tell your mom? Josh, I love you, babe. I'm sorry. Ooh, they stealing.
The fuck?
Hey Josh, Jackie Chan just died.
No way.
His hair black. Hey, y'all watch this. My dad hates the camera. Yeah, just say what's up to Vines.
Man, did I tell you get that shit out of here?
What?
Don't tell mom.
Mom,
Don't tell her.
oh, she's stealing. Oh. I love you. I love you. Dang, why you didn't say it back? That is messed up. Say what's up, Mike.
Messed up is messed up.
Shut up. You can hear him talking.
I don't give a fuck what he doing.
My mom said I'm grounded at the house, but not at Best Buy. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, almost had.
I wouldn't care if you 81. You ain't gonna be smoking up in here. You hear that?
Okay.
I'm getting sick. Do you hear?
I just want you guys to know that I am not light skinned. I am white. I just don't bathe. This is dirt. Look. That's... Go back, my hat.
Wow.
Who let the dogs out? You doing it too early. Get on beat. Get on. Want to spend the night? Yeah. Okay, go ask your mom. Oh, she's stealing. Oh, oh, come and get her, y'all. Come and get her.
So where's them $5 you owe me?
Oh, if you want a burger,
Eat a burger.
If you want a French fry. What are you doing? Taking orders with them headphones?
No, I'm not taking orders. I'm listening to my music. Dang, mama.
Thank you guys for the 1 million followers. Now I can slap Cam my mom while she sleep.
You're lying. You crazy as hell. I wish you would.
Come on, look.
Oh, duh.
What?
Stop, boy. Don't play with me. I ain't playing.
Here's my... All right, then, P. Appreciate it.
Hey, man, let me get that bread, man.
What?
Let me get that money.
Hey, tell me, why do Wiz Khalifa look like that cinnamon stick on the Applejack box?
You got on my lipstick. I'm so tired of you wearing my lip gloss.
That's how you make them stop arguing. Mama, what? Mama.
Don't, boy. Oh, you make me sick.
Hey, you have some tissue in there, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
What the fuck?
What? Dang. What you gonna be for Halloween this year, babe?
You.
Me?
Hey, shut up.
You be quiet. Your beautiful, sexy, pretty face. Ooh, just be quiet. Dang. Christian, who's number one?
God.
Ooh, he's starting off early.
What you doing? What? You made me mess up now.
Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. I thought you was the dog. Oh, he's stealing. Oh. Mom, get up. You gotta go to work, Mom.
What time is it? Why you let me oversleep?
I'm sorry. Me and my babe just left Netherworld, the hunter.
Stop!
Babe, you scared? I got the best girlfriend ever. Watch this. You love me, babe? You'll kiss me if I have Ebola?
Hell no.
And I got a question. What if you was asleep this whole time and you was dreaming and you wake up as a baby right now? Would you be mad? Why you laying down and you think you pay bills, huh? You don't be laying like that. You don't pay no bills. You better sit up.
You stupid.
No, I'm not.
What's 1 + 1?
11.
You stupid. What you gonna be following this year?
I want to be a cat.
Why you just don't be this? You will scare a lot of people.
Get out.
Hot sauce on the pad.
My nigga, what's happening?
How you missed the bus?
Girlfriend had to take care of something.
Oh no, you walking home, buddy.
Hey.
License and registration, please.
Hey, sir, before you give me a ticket, I just want you to know that my mom is white.
Okay, I'll give you a warning. Let's go embarrass my sister at the bus stop. Hey, you know you're getting a whooping when you get home, right? Simon says stand up. Simon says pat your head. Simon says say nigga.
Hell no.
Ooh, they stealing. Ooh.
I'll take that off.
Mama, you just dropped $1. Dang.
Give my money.
I was just playing.
You a story. I give mine. I know I did.
No, you didn't. Try me? Hey, Mom, this say try me, Mom. Look.
Why don't you put it in?
Come on, man. Do it for the Vine.
No, man, you taking
Come on,
it too
man. Just
far.
one time.
Fine.
Work. Come clean this stuff up. I know you did it.
I did, bitch.
When?
Fuck your time out.
Hey, turn up. Everybody say happy birthday to my beautiful brother. How old you?
Brother.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
What?
We've been invited to Ellen DeGeneres show.
For real?
Next week, no.
Oh.
I know this random, but I just want y'all to know my room is never dirty. Clothes just seem to find a spot on the ground. I mean, go Bobo. Go Bobo. Come on, more. Go Bobo.
On my hotel door.
What the free? When I say mighty, you say duck.
We don't care who you are.
Fuck out the motherfucker.
What that's making me?
Ooh, what in Jesus' name?
Told you
Ooh,
about the
what?
West African shop.
Okay, Conte Kente. Do it for the Vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the Vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the
I
boys.
ain't gonna. Bro, stop
It's too late. Hey, Wally, say what's at the Vine, bro. Hey, y'all, he want me to split this, and he want 2 10s, right?
What the? That's all. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Do you know the definition of chill?
You on the phone?
You on the?
I must admit, out of all my girlfriends, you the best one.
Wait, what?
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Mama, shake that off.
What?
The haters. I got love for. Let me make a Vine, okay? Okay, y'all. Who let their dogs out? There we go. No. Woo, 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 woo. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. Club going up
On the Tuesday, got your girl.
My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my gosh. I'm just
Bro, get the fuck out.
Ew! Did you just fart?
Oh, shut up.
You stink.
Come on, let's rap.
Let's do it.
Come on. Go. No,
Mama, can
I'm
you
just
drive?
asking, are you a virgin?
Yes.
Don't lie.
Okay, no.
What you mean you?
Mama, why are you asking? Drive. My name Jeff. My name Jeff. My name Jeff.
It's not funny anymore.
Bro, I don't know why this man's so racist towards light-skinned people. Like, what we do?
Cause
You know
y'all
what
some bitches, that's why.
Y'all see that? Mama's passing out. Come here, quick. Cookies. Mom, I need some cigarettes. Mom been stressing out lately.
Hold on. Why don't you ever say that again? You hear me?
Okay, guys, I'm about to say a curse word. You ready? Shut up. I don't freak with you. You little stupid little girl, I ain't freaking with you. I don't give a freak.
Boy, get that shit out of my face. I told you, man. Goddamn it.
What you want Santa Claus to get you this year?
iPad.
Too bad he's not real.
What? Stop lying.
What? I'm gonna turn you into a hot dog. I'm gonna turn you into a hot dog. I am gonna turn. This is why little girls grow up too fast. If my future daughter asks for this, she's getting grounded 6 times because that's how many apps he has. I don't care. Whoa.
What?
Your ears.
So? Don't touch it.
Why?
You're gonna make it bigger, stupid.
Hey, bro,
It's
you need
all
some
good.
honey mustard?
No paparazzi, please.
Because you got a nugget head. I'm at the mall and these dudes keep staring at me, man.
It is him.
I don't like apple because pineapple is better. Pineapple. Oh. Can y'all please be quiet? I'm trying to listen to my music.
It's not my business. You don't
Dang.
have no business. Hey! You like
Hey, they just signed me to the Cavaliers. Tell them, Kyrie.
Nope. Nope.
You just...
My bad. 10-day contract.
Okay, guys, I'm about to say my second curse word. You ready? Stupid. They hate us because they ain't us. Forget all my haters. They're just peanut butter and jealous. Bruh, it's so cold out here. Somebody can rob me with a water gun. No lie, I just give them every... When I pass away, I wanted to be happy. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I'm going to heaven. I want to die like this. I got shotgun, bro.
Bitch, I ain't want that shit anyway. It's so corny. Nigga acting like I wanted that shit anyway.
You mad? You mad? Hey, everybody, look at my sister looking like a Hubba Bubba bubble gum pack. All this pink.
that's what your breath needs.
Club going up
turn the music down.
on the Tuesday. Got your girl in the color she choose.
Projects.
She pee in the bed.
No, I don't. Boy, no, I'll be in the bed.
Boy, you on the phone with a boy?
No.
Even though black guys dangerous, they still cool to hang around with.
Come on, bro. This fucking racist shit.
Right,
man.
a nigga beat your ass.
I'm just
boy.
playing. Mom, what my breath smell like?
Oh, an emergency. Call 911, please. Go on now.
An
Stop
emergency. Who's the boss now? Who's the? Did y'all know my dog name is Coco? I'm in love with the Coco. Hey, come here. I'm in love with the. This man Mike head so big that. I just beat this guy in 2K. He sucked. I'm telling y'all, headphones.
You swallow, bitch.
I what?
You swallow. He swallows.
Mike, your head is so big, man. How long it take you to shampoo your head? Fuck you. Ernesia, what do beavers build?
A damn.
What you say?
Ooh.
Mommy, he set me up.
Hey, babe, I was on the phone with my ex. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Get the hell out of my car.
What?
Get the fuck out.
If somebody cheating on somebody to go out with you, what makes you think they not gonna cheat on you? Come on, man. You... Mama, get your... I'm in love with this hoe. I'm in love with this hoe. I was just playing, babe.
What in the world are you doing?
Dunk cam. Hey, Mom. You love me?
Yeah.
You're my mom, right?
Yes.
I'm adopted.
Yes.
You like black people, Mike?
Yeah.
You like white people, Chaz? That means y'all love me. I'm white and black.
You gay.
Hey, bro. How I feel being light skinned?
Nigga, I'm pineapple.
We need some raid for this roach right here. Just look. Look at her hair.
Well, if that's the case, then we need a mouse trap because you're a rat.
What's up, Chaz? Look, bro.
What the fuck?
Mom, on the count of 3, say something nice about each other. 1, 2, 3. Something nice about each other.
Really?
What? I said.
Bro, are you serious, bro? What is wrong with you? I'm tired, bro. I don't care. I don't.
Light skin, dog. I'm too old for
I'm
toys.
too hot for toys.
I'm too young for
I'm
boys.
too young for...
You better set.
For the vine.
Hey,
Do it for the vine. Do it for the boys.
hold on, what?
I need to finish it. Uptown.
Funk you up. Uptown, funk.
You're wrong.
My sister's having a bad day. What is wrong with you?
Nothing that you can...
I don't care.
What is wrong with you? That was so disgusting.
Let's take a selfie. Smile. Smile. A, B, C, D. Ooh, D. E, F, G.
What are you doing? You're too old for that. You need to grow up.
Are you happy?
S-T-O-P. Huh? Oh. Now go. Go. Hey, go. Go. Hey. I'm with the boo. He taking me out to the restaurant.
Come on now.
What you give me?
Don't start this shit.
Don't stop. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I'll stop when you stop. Part 2.
As soon as I'm in here, I'm gonna jump in that pool first. Boys ask me out all the time, but I tell them school first.
Say it again.
School come first, boys come later. Shout out to my haters, cause I'm motivated, and I get that in my.
Yo, you serious right now?
Hey, y'all, how looking this?
Yeah, that nigga was like, bro, come on, bro. Boy, get your gay ass out of here, bro.
Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh.
Been drinking, ain't you?
Shout out to my sisters, man. I swear they're the best. Never mind, they ugly because their hair is a mess. And you beat me again. Bruh, if I was white, I would look like this. Yes, finish.
One more.
Mama.
Problem?
No. Ernestio, bring me some tissue.
Thank you.
Do the Jackie Chan. Do the Jackie Chan.
Do that.
Do it. Do it.
Do what?
I think we're under attack.
Oh my God, Duck, stop playing.
Oh my gosh.
You play some more.
You need help?
Yes.
Too bad.
Why help out?
No. What's up, bruh?
Bruh. Who you calling bruh? Bruh.
You a bruh.
No, I'm not. I'm a girl.
Yeah. This how you make people lick their lips. Hey, one of y'all got some chapstick?
Nah, bro.
You?
Mama.
Hey, Mom, do you like shit?
What?
Shih Tzu. The dogs. You know the tiny...
No.
We're going on a trip in our favorite...
Potato chips.
No, rocket ship, Mom. You forgot.
Want some candy? Good job. You're a good man, man.
I was running through the 6 with my wolf.
I ain't gonna get your behind beat. You hear me? You hear me?
For the people who say my mom acts black, how about you guys act stupid? Stupid! Dude, I'm so mad it took me an hour to set this up and I didn't even have to poop. I just say this for the next person. Dallas, Texas, it was real. Jesus loves me, yes I know. 'Cause the Bible tells me so.
Oh, little boy, I'm getting sick and tired of you, little boy. You keep getting up.
They ain't ready for it. They ain't ready for it.
Psych.
I heard you doing good in school.
Psych. I was waiting on you at the door. On the floor. With my woes. Hey, dudes, you know when you with your girl and you see another girl with a big butt and it's hard not to look?
What'd you say?
And we just keep the vibe going. You ready? We're keeping the vibe going with this dude, Ludacris, who actually will be using the
Stop, bitch! I'm sleeping.
This is my bro Josh, single and ready to mingle. He's looking for cute guys ages 12 through 15. I'm getting tired of people talking about I'm in the Illuminati because of my triangle smile.
You need to drive.
This is my boy Brandon. He's single, looking for guys. I'm with my babe, Monica.
Monica.
Say it slow.
Monica.
Yeah. Hey babe, guess what? These nuts.
You don't even have nuts.
Ooh, he's stealing. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Watch this, y'all. Come here, Joshua. Can you get this out of my car?
Get what?
These nuts. She think her eyebrows on fleek, but they really on weak.
Anybody get your behind me if y'all get the camera up on my face.
Yo, Vaga, big woman thing. You know why more time I chat some song, them have to shot? The realest. They know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
I got beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes.